Hey guys, this is Zach with NC Trailers. Just coming at you today, talk about this 22GN that we have in stock. Guys, we're pretty excited about this one. We just reduced it. We got it on a great deal. Let's go check it out. So, 22GN, guys, we have a 30,000 pound gooseneck coupler on this. It's an easy latch from Demco. Moving over to the front here, we have a huge toolbox. Carry all of your chains, binders, anything else that you may need. Rubber mounted LEDs all the way around. Adjustable step right here. You've got LEDs here on the headache bar in case you need to show some light while you're loading this thing. We also have a dual tandem oil bath spread axle setup. And of course, the classic, iconic, self-cleaning mega ramps.